Yeah, that's how it looks from the back, from the front. And this is the only point where I can adjust the light. So the more I push, the more it goes like this, the more the light is gonna go this way. So we need the light on the road, not up in the sky, what is the case right now. So what I do is, and I checked it, there's no special part or anything here. I have to drill a hole with this one. I just take any screw, angle grind this end of it, and then put it into a drill, and then you can drill a hole, and then I can use this one. I mean, there's an adjusting bolt. Serial number. This one right here. It comes at the bottom. Yeah, that would be the correct part to buy to fix this issue, but right now I need this issue to fix immediately because I'm riding at night time. So yeah, I finished drilling with this one, and now it's big enough to fit this through.